Excel CUMPRINC function. This function returns the cumulative principal paid on a loan between two periods. It is the companion to Cumulative, and together they show how your loan payments split between interest and principal. The syntax is CUMPRINC with parameters rate, NPER, PV, start_period, end_period, and type. All 6 arguments are required. This function has the exact same parameters as Cumulative but returns the principal portion instead of interest. There are 6 arguments: rate, the interest rate per period; NPER, the total number of payment periods; PV, the present value or loan amount; start_period, the first period in the calculation, starting at 1; end_period, the last period; and type, the payment timing, 0 for end of period or 1 for beginning of period. Here's an example. We have a loan with a 9% annual rate, a 30-year term, and a present value of $125,000. We want to find the cumulative principal paid during the second year, which is periods 13 through 24. The type is 0 for end-of-period payments. We divide the rate by 12 and multiply years by 12 for monthly periods. The CUMPRINC function returns negative $934.11. The result is negative because it represents an outgoing payment, the principal you are paying down on the loan during the second year. Watch out for errors. A num error occurs when the rate, NPER, or PV is less than or equal to 0, when the start period is less than 1, when the end period is less than the start period, or when type is not 0 or 1. Key points to remember. CUMPRINC is the companion to Cumulative. Together, they show how payments split between interest and principal. The result is negative because it represents an outgoing payment. Adding Cumulative and CUMPRINC for the same periods gives you the total payments made during that range. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.